Hey, if you haven't come to Madness, you gotta come here. You see it, you see it. Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into A Foreign Story. I told you guys I had another video coming for you. Special shout out to Madness Autoworks. Just dropping the car off today. I got my boy Andy here. Andy's gonna show you some stuff. Quarantine, of course, we're gonna keep it safe here, practicing social distancing. Andy, say hello to the people.
How you guys doing? Come on down and see us, Spicewood, Texas.
Hey, this is gonna be a great thing. We're gonna get some, I'll show you guys later. Andy's you can let me go in the back or bring them parts so I can show them. I wanna unbox them. Yeah, we're gonna unbox them, show you what we're gonna get put on. Some of the stuff is a little secret sauce so I can go a little faster, but you know, we're gonna just hold it down. Love the shop. If you haven't had a chance to check out Madness here in Austin, Texas, they actually have one in California as well. Please be sure. Excellent customer service. Again, Corey Conley, we're gonna keep it going.
You stoked?
I'm so excited.
All right, come inside. Let me talk to you guys about labor real quick.
Yeah, no problem.
And I will be
Hey, I seen that you all had
diffuser.
Yes.
I was guessing where you were going.
Yes, I seen the Italian flag when I was driving.
Get any fingerprints on that?
I've seen the Italian flag.
Yeah, with the little line that sits in the middle.
Yes.
Yeah.
I love these.
I do too. And I've got a coworker that wants to buy one and throw a Quadrifoglio engine inside of it.
I heard a guy talking about that on
They've
YouTube.
done it.
Yeah.
It is, but guess how many Quadrifoglios I've driven?
What? 0? You can drive that?
No.
You can drive it?
Really?
Yeah.
Dude.
How about that guy?
Hey, you heard him.
Yeah.
Are you recording still?
Huh?
It's on video, bro.
Yes.
You know why? Let me tell you why. Because anything you break, you can fix.
It's true. All right, cool. All right. Well, I might not be driving it today. Let's get that recorded too.
We are in the shop, right?
You said it's fully insured, so I can do whatever I want. How long have you been vlogging?
I just started.
All right, cool.
My first video was a week ago.
And how's that going?
Well, the first video was just like 300 views, but then the one I put out 2 days ago, it's like at almost 3,000 views.
I'll subscribe right now, dude.
So it's like super cool.
Take that one.
It's like almost 3,000 views
So let me,
now.
If I subscribe right now,
basically
then I
this
know
is
that
a,
all your videos will start
You're
populating.
looking to put a canister in? Is that
Yes. So a foreign story. Just put
okay?
it
Right?
right?
Yeah. Then
I mean,
we'll do-
I've got incentive obviously here to have other people subscribe too, especially if we're in those videos. Then
Oh,
I
cool.
want people to subscribe.
Right.
So.
Right.
What was the title of my story?
My ex is stalking me.
My interest.
What was it called?
My ex is stalking me. It's a good video. You should watch it.
Is there truth in that or?
No, it's just a car.
Okay. Sweet. All right. Cool. Bam.
Yeah, that's.
Bam. At what point do you start making money?
I don't know. I'm just not doing it for the money.
Hey, I got to see what your face looks like.
Yeah, I'm not doing the money. I'm not doing it for the money. I think
I
that's
know what you look like now.
I think that's the thing. I'm not doing it for the money.
You're doing a good job editing too, man.
So.
All right, I'm gonna check that out in a second. Actually, before we do any diffuser,
Yeah.
let me cover the labor so I
That's
can get your
fine.
keys out there and let them know you're here.
Let's do
You
it.
might be able to start on it now.
Cool.
So labor-wise, this is what I've quoted you right now. If
Yeah.
it takes less time than this, then we're gonna charge you accordingly.
Okay.
Now,
Oh, okay.
I'll have you pay when we're done. If it takes us 3.5 hours, I'm gonna take a half an hour off of it.
All right, cool.
All right, you're good on this end. I'm going to go get your car out there,
Okay.
and then I'll be right back and we'll look at the diffuser.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, I'll be right back.
We're gonna take care of that.
You grab anything else out of your car?
Oh no, we're good.
All right, cool. I'll see you guys on Monday.
All right.
You
All right.
didn't get that.
Yeah, I did.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did. It's a joke.
I know, but
You
you
just
didn't
yes,
get
he did.
it.
Monday.
That's
We're gonna stay today. Duh, they close at 6. Take the car on the weekend. I got it. Trust me. Oh man, this is my best friend's one of his favorite cars. This is a unicorn, by the way. If you guys don't know, this is the CTSV wagon. I'm telling you guys. I'm in the inside. I can take this off. Whew, I can breathe. I'm hot. You don't see them often. Seen them on a couple auctions. That's about it.
700 horsepower.
700 horsepower. Max to the wheel or to the crank? It doesn't matter. It's 700 horsepower.
I would say probably the wheel.
Yeah, to the wheel, to the wheel. 700 horsepower to the wheel. Again, Madness Autoworks, killing it. They do foreigns, they do. All right. Yes, sir. How's it going?
This is our customer lounge, so if you're relaxing, take here. Let me show you the rest of our behind the scenes. Back here is our IT and social media.
How's it going? IT, social media.
So here we're doing anything from product listing, answering social media. We are doing product description. Sometimes we're doing coding here. Our little break room here. This is our shipping department. So here we're shipping everything from brace bar for a Fiat to filters for Alfa Romeo, engine mount, a blow-off valve, armrest, all kinds of stuff. So here we'll take you through the rest. Here are our most common things that we ship out daily. And it could be anything from carbon, engine modules, little different accessories. We manufacture quite a bit of stuff. These are some of our
mystery
our own.
machine.
Yeah, it's a 1966 mini wagon.
That is beautiful.
We just got the engine out of that one. This can be one of our next restoration
That is
jobs.
amazing. I just spoke about that color scheme of this. When was this? Like this week?
Mm-hmm.
I so my best friend, he actually he's building a car as well. He's building a Trans Am, but he's looking at his next project, and we were going to say we're going to the track, and I was like, well, we should be the mystery team. And he's like, man, that'd be cool. I was like, whatever it is, I'm going to get the color of the mystery machine. And he was like, well, I'm going to be Shaggy. And so we just went through this whole thing, and I was looking for that color scheme just last weekend.
So that is actually a two-tone blue underneath. That was wrapped for the LA Auto Show, and they were doing
That's a
live
wrap?
Yeah. So it's gonna come off soon. Yeah, that's a wrap. It's wrapped.
Yes.
It's got the main code.
Yeah, those are just little extras.
So, there's an engine already finished that's gonna be going in there.
Were you stepping in that little compartment?
Sorry?
Were you stepping in that little compartment, the engine?
Oh, I've completely built BMC,
Okay.
proper A-series, pretty much race motor that's going in there. Here, some of the parts, we have partner manufacturers, so we make everything from coilovers to springs, just silicone performance stuff. You'll see up above, you'll see carbon. Here is our shop. This is pretty much finished except the exhaust. What was done with that, Bill?
Painted the motor, freshened up the subframe, painted the firewall, and then long tube headers, and it's getting a custom exhaust next.
And the way this customer brought that in is they have a Ford Raptor that we did some work on. So sometimes we take these out. So I'll take you outside. F-250 that we are redoing. The engine's out of it. It's getting a new engine built. Transmission's out of it. This is pretty much, it's not a restoration, but it's pretty close.
Yeah. I had no idea you all did.
Well, typically this kind of customer is usually coming into us like somebody like yourself. They have an Alfa Romeo, or they have a Fiat, or they'll have some other European car or some other higher-end car. They're bringing it to us, and then they see some of our own classics.
Right.
Okay, you guys aren't afraid of classics. You know how to handle them. You know what to do, and then they sometimes convince us to take on a project. So these are projects because when we ship out an engine,
Right.
we're at a standstill for a week or two.
Okay.
Okay. This is our own Julia.
Right.
You're not going to spend $30,000 for a one-off spoiler.
Right.
But there's some details that can be done.
Okay.
So a little Italian flag or this or that. That can always be done.
That's super cool. That's super cool. Man, I appreciate you guys. This is gonna be amazing. I'm just gonna hang out.
So go walk around, look
Yeah.
around.
Well, I got some juice in the car, so I guess I get that.
Okay. See you guys in a bit.
Yeah.
All right.
Madness Autoworks, Austin, Texas, or California. They got 2 locations. I really appreciate you guys. I'm super excited, super stoked. Couldn't have asked for better work. We actually got some modifications and stuff done to that as well. Engine, and we also got some exhaust done. This has been a great video. I hope to see you guys soon. Tune in for a foreign story. We're gonna walk you around again some of these modifications that was done. So guys, what I had done was a carbon fiber insert. I also had the carbon fiber side skirts. And then I had the exhaust bypass done. Once again, I want to thank you guys for tuning in to a foreign story on this channel. If you haven't seen what we're about here, it's about telling stories through your foreign car. I'm here in America. Foreign to me is Italian, German, but if you're overseas, foreign to you could be Mustangs, Camaros, whatever the case may be. Share your story with me. Like, share, subscribe.